100% now. See we they don't know we but they acting like they do now. Yeah.
Boom, 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 bang, bang, bing. It's your boy Jamaican J with another. With another long dark, man. So this is gonna be part 3. So if you missed the first 2 episodes, you could go check it out on the upload on the live, because I did those on live stream. So you gotta go on the channel, check out the live streams, and you will see part 1 and part 2. I decided to record part 3 because I have put some mod in this game. So I'm about to show you the mods that I put in this game. I'm not sure if the computer would be able to handle it on the stream, and plus the mods and all that stuff. Anyway, 21 gun salute to all my subscribers and all my viewers. If you're a first time viewer, do remember to hit that like and subscribe button and share that video. And if you're a subscriber, please hit that like button and also share the video. It is much appreciated. Yeah. Do remember to follow me, Jamaican J _ Dashanda X on TikTok. Dashanda X, Jamaican J on Twitter. Yeah, go check it out. Big up to all my subscribers again. Yeah, so let's get to it, man. Because I'm going to show off. Let's see what the mission is. I don't know, man. The wind is so loud in my damn ears. So loud, man. Check one. Yeah. So let's see what our mission is. Search the tunnel. Okay, so it's night. It's about to be night. I think we should just wait till the day to do that. Maybe I should get some food. See, hey, so this is my this is my new companion, yo, Rasco. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, Rasco the Fox, man. So this is one of the mods I put in the game. So he's gonna be my companion. He could catch rabbits. He could fetch sticks. You know, it's a good companion, man. New objective. Let's see. Right here. Milton Supply. Okay, so maybe we could get some stuff over there too. What time is it? Okay. Let's see how our clothes are looking. 86%. Oh, he ain't got no shirt on there. I need to repair that shirt. Man, the wind is howling out there. 60%. I'm repairing the sweatshirt before I put it on. There we go. We got a sweatshirt on there. We need a next jacket. What's this? Damn. Man, we need some stuff, man. How the boots looking? We only got one pants. All right, we're gonna repair this pants too, man. Can't go out in the cold like this. So we got one pants alone, right? How the gloves looking? Damn, man. Okay, the gloves looking good. Man, we need some clothes. The scarf. Damn, look at the hat. Okay, so I'm gonna I'm gonna break down this hat and use it to fix this hat. Break one down, use it to fix the other one. Man, look at this hat, man. This hat is gone. Okay, it's at 73%. Repair this also. Oh man, I need some clothes. I really need some clothes. Got a lot of socks. Put that one on. Oh man, I'm trying to get all this because it's cold out there. I gotta make sure I'm warm when I go out there, man. See, my fox is sleeping. Sleep, fox. All right, let's take a nap. I'm sleeping right here, gray mother. Sleep for 5 hours. 5 hours should do it. I just don't want to go out there in the night. I want to go in there in the morning. Go out there in the morning. So I need food and water. Okay, water right here. I ain't got no food. That's for sure. And I can't go in this damn fridge.
All I can think about is food.
Let's see if you could find some food, man. Can I take something from over here? Nothing? I'm dying of hunger. Oh, yes, I can. All right, I got something. Eat that, bro. Eat it quick. Before you die of hunger, eat that shit. Nah, don't eat no shit, but you know what I'm saying. All right, get rid of this lamp. What time is it? It's almost morning. Let's get some more rest. And then we could push out early in the morning to head for that mission. I know I'm gonna freeze. I ain't got the right clothing. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got the right clothing. Eat that too, bro. Eat them crunchy stuff, whatever it's called. Take this up. We out of here. What time is it? Yeah, we out of here, man. Let's go. Yo, where Foxy? Come on, girl. Let's go. Where's she at? Come on. We out of here. I got a fox with me now. I wish it was a dog, but I'll take the fox. It's cold as hell out here. Look how fast my temperature going down. Where am I gun at? Where am I gun at? Okay, I ain't got no gun yet. Let's get out of here, man. It's cold. Let's see where we're going. We're going this way. Okay, let's... I don't even have a gun yet, man. I just try to stay away from the I'll just try to stay away from the wolves for now. Damn, it's cold out here. So fast my temperature falling. I ain't stopping, I'm out of here. I should be checking these cars, you know. I think there's stuff in these cars. Man, I like this game, man. This game it feels like a real survival game. Okay, let's see where we at. Cause we're freezing out here. Oh, it's straight ahead. All right. Let's go up in here and warm up a little bit, man.
My fingers feel numb. Looks like I survived another night.
Open up that door. Warm up in here. Can't see shit. Turn on the light, bro. Turn on the light. Okay. So if I could find something to eat up in here. I know I took everything out of here already in the previous episodes. Well, it don't hurt to look again. Agua.
Can't
Agua.
have too much water.
I'll take agua. What's up here? What's up here? What's up here? What's there? What's there? Nothing, nothing. No food. What's that? Damn, I'm gonna die of hunger, y'all. I'm gonna have to hunt something soon. I don't have no gun. I don't have nothing to hunt, nothing. Yo, take these papers, man. I should take this. Just in case I have to make a fire somewhere. Alright, temperature, come on, go up. Alright, we're getting out of here, man. We ain't staying up in here too long. We're trying to get to that crash site. I may die of hypothermia, but gotta get there. Yeah, do remember to check the live stream out later. I've been having some problems with my live stream lately, man. So I apologize to all the people who've been seeing my live stream going up and canceling every minute. I apologize for that.
Right now.
But later will be greater. Yeah, so later I'll be live streaming
What happened here?
this demo. What's this? What's going on here? Oh, it's a dead person right here. Search his body.
Cold is making my head feel thick.
You ain't got nothing. Where my girl at, man? I'm looking for my baby. Where is she? Search his suitcase, bro. Is there a gun in there? Damn, ain't no gun in there. There's a note. I'll take the note. Prison transport manifest. Yeah, I'll take it. Pill.
So cold.
What else is around here? Only pill.
Lay down for a
Only a pill. Inspect the bus. You know what? I'm gonna change it. It's a girl, man. I'm gonna name her Sheba, man. It's Sheba. Sheba. Come, let's go, Sheba. I'm I'm hungry, man. Let me see where the food at. No food. Damn. So what's my mission? What's my mission? What's my mission? Return to Grey Mother. Hell yeah, it's cold up here. I can't run. Run. Run, Forrest. Run, Forrest. Life is like a box of chocolate. Run, Forrest. Run. Alright, yo. Yeah, I gotta stop right here, because I hear wolves. I know I heard a wolf just now. And warm up, bro. Warm up. Damn. I got no food up in here, man. Don't tell me this is the way I'm gonna go out, man. I'm gonna go out from hunger, from starvation. Damn, I don't have no pry bar. I need a pry bar to open that. What's in here? Food.
Yes.
Man, I want no water. I want food. Damn. Man, no food in there. What's in here? Damn book. Can't eat that. Food. Damn. Well, no food. I guess I'm gonna die of hunger. Let me see. Hypothermia at risk. Oh, it's a low percentage, man. It's like 1% chance of having hypothermia. We're getting out of here, man. Gotta go see Grey Mama. Oh, there go the damn wolf right there, yo. I don't want no problems with that wolf. Let's go. Let's sidestep him, yo. Let's walk around this way. I want no problems with that wolf right now. I walked a long way.
Too cold to think.
I ain't messing with that wolf. Where is he? All right, man. We out of here. Freezing. Oh, look, it's one more wolf up there, man. Damn, they're all over the place. Let me go this way. Oh, so I'm passing that wolf. Yeah, I wonder if no food was up in here. Did I go up in here already? Let me check in here. I don't remember if I went up in here already. Yeah, I did. Yep, I sure did. Let's get out of here. So we got a wolf up there. Grey Mama fucked him up. See the wolf right there, man, eating a deer. Damn, I wish I could add a gun. I could let him run. Let me see if I could chase him away and take his food. If I could chase him away, I could. Yeah, he did run away. Come on, let's go get. Oh shit, the next one coming. Oh, it's two of them out there. It's two of them, yo. Let me see if they're coming back. Yeah, I want that deer meat, man. These. Get some deer meat. Oh shit, here they come. They coming back for their food, yo. Oh shit, hurry up, bro. They coming back for their food. I'm out of here. They coming back for their food. Wow. All right, man.
Something to eat.
Hold up, bro. We about to do that. Oh, she left some soup for us. Let's eat that, bro. Thank you, Grey Mama. Yeah, man. And now let's cook this wolf. Cook this wolf meat. Yeah. Pick this up, man. Need to cook this wolf meat. Yeah. Yeah. Yo, Grey Mama, let me get this gun, man. What's up? Jeez. Can't even get that gun. Need some water. Cook up. Oh, that's not wolf meat. It's deer meat. I forgot. That's not the wolf meat. That's deer meat, man. I'm saying it's wolf meat. Okay, let's pass the time. Can't wait on that. Oh shit, it burnt. Come on, man. Eat, man. Eat that shit. I waste the damn thing, man. Can't believe. Oh, I got piece more. Okay. What is it? What's this? Fresh. Cooked. Oh, it's cooked. Eat that, man. There we go. Got some deer meat in our system. Okay, Grandma. Let's talk to you. See what's up, Grey Mama.
Did you find it?
Yes, I
It
did.
was there, like you said.
It was there.
Your friend?
No sign of her.
No sign of
The tunnel's blocked. Looks like maybe an avalanche. But I think she got through before that happened.
If the tunnel is blocked, that's the end for Grandmother.
So the tunnel is the only way through the mountains?
No. Not the only way through, but my only way through.
She was there at the tunnel, at the bus. I'm sure of it.
You think she passed through the tunnel?
I'm not sure. But she was there. She left me a sign. A word. Perseverance.
A word from the old days. Why would she write that?
It's
Tell her she
perseverance.
won't give up.
I think every word is from the old days. Huh?
Or maybe reminding you not to.
Why write such a long name, though? It has to mean something more.
Why? Because you mean so much to her?
Because she wrote it in blood.
She write it in blood.
The town somewhere up north. Far, what was it called? That's it. Perseverance Mills. Old logging and mill town used to be an important place. Now it's mostly dead, like Milton.
Like Milton.
Maybe she's pointing you there.
Perseverance Mills. How do I get there?
By car. Before the quakes, when the roads were clear.
Looks like I'm on foot.
That will be a long road.
It's Ruggy Road. Road is so rough.
I'm starting to get pretty worried about my friend.
There's only one thing left to be done. You need to put her to rest.
Put her to... I'm not giving up yet.
Not.
I remember something. A farmhouse on the other side of town. That night, the memories are confused, but somehow I remember the farmhouse. You'll find a key to a safety deposit box somewhere in there. Go to the bank and bring me the box that matches the key.
Want me
Then
to...
you'll understand what happened to her.
Okay.
Wait. Farm? Bank? What's this have to do with my friend?
They left her, didn't they? She needed help, and they let her go. This is how we make it right.
What's she talking about?
I don't understand.
In the bank, you'll find the answers. Now go.
In the bank. Did I find money? Oh, what's up with the soup?
I must be losing my mind. It smells like food cooking in here.
It's been a while since Grey Mother had anyone to make meals for. Please, take some soup before you go.
Shit, I already drink it, man.
Thank you. That's really very
You're late.
kind.
I already drink that damn soup. Down my stomach. Could I take more? Let me see. Nope. What is that floating in the soup, man? Yo, Grey Mama. Hey, Sheba, let's go. We gotta go to the bank. What's it say? Search the Milton farmhouse for a safety deposit box. Search the Milton farmhouse. Hold up. I thought you said go to the bank. Where's the Milton farmhouse? Milton. She said Milton. She ain't saying Milton. Milton. Okay, so Milton farmhouse is down here. So we gotta go straight across from there and go straight down here. Boom. Right there. Alright. What time of the day is it? 12 o'clock. Nice time to leave. Let's go. I need to find some clothes though, man. Go to the Milton Bank. No, we ain't going to the bank. We're going to the farmhouse. Oh shit, there go a wolf. I ain't trying to see no wolf right now, man. Let's take a shortcut through here. Look at him. Looking for trouble. Go ahead, man. Don't come down here. Come on, Sheba. Where's Sheba? Oh, she'll find her way. Sheba! Where are you, girl? Okay. Hey, Sheba. Come on, let's go. I hear some wolves. I hear some wolves, man. Okay, this must be the farmhouse right here. Let me go over here and look first before I go down there. Maybe I'll find something up here. There go a wolf right there too. Nope, ain't nothing up here. I ain't going where that wolf is either. Let me go this way, man. Run, Forrest. Go over on this side. Oh, no problem with this wolf. They coming this way too. Come on, Sheba. I see blood. Hurry up, man, before the wolves come. Hurry up, bro. Blood, blood, blood. See, I'm following the blood trail.
Sign.
Man, somebody didn't have a good day out here. Alright, let's see what's going on in here. See blood everywhere. Oh, sweat. Look who
That
it is.
scarf wrapped around your arm. Where'd you get it?
Yeah, that's my girl shit, bro.
You're never gonna find her.
What?
What did you do to my friend?
We burned them all, you know.
What?
The whole school. It was so easy. We just shoved them in there and locked the door.
You monsters.
It just happened. All the lights went out, damn bus lost control and crashed into the tunnel. Brought the roof down on us. Barely crawled out of there alive. Hell, some didn't. People all hanging around trying to get warm after the power went out. All huddled together, scared and freezing.
Yeah, man, what you got, Corona?
You've seen that.
Don't be coughing on me, man.
But we sure warmed them up.
You're a bastard.
That's about right. We put them all in the old schoolhouse so we could keep an eye on them. And then something happened to the lights. The power. It was like sparks everywhere and then...
Fire!
Your scarf lady found us while the school was burning. She tried to help get them out, but it was already too late. Smoke already did them in. She fought like hell to try and get him out. She stuck a knife or a screwdriver, I'm not sure, into one of our guys. Cut me, too. And then ran out into the blizzard.
You tried to kill my girl, bro?
Where did you see her after that?
You want to know about your lady?
Yeah.
Help me first.
Damn it, tell me where she is.
We caught up, but she's a fiery one. Still had the knife. Got me real good, you can see. We tried to stop her, but she ended up on the bus. Somehow, she was small enough to crawl through the crushed part.
Oh, you was really trying to kill her, huh?
She got away. Whatever good it's gonna do her.
If you so much as hurt...
We barely clipped her wings. She wasn't hurt too bad.
Not hurt too bad.
All right, she was bleeding.
Yo, make up your mind, man. Was she hurt or was she? And stop coughing that coronavirus on me. Hey, piece of shit.
No way out of here now. The roads are all blocked. You'll never find her.
You'll never find her. You'll never find her.
You have no idea how stubborn I am.
Yo, what I tell you about that corona coughing, bro?
I told you what I know. Are you gonna help me or what?
Is that the way you ask for help, bro?
Pull this knife out of me. It's stuck in deep, and I can't feel anything below my waist. I need it out.
You go after the old lady in the house, too? As well as letting those people in the school burn to death?
Hey. You think they put me on?
Oh, they're the one who went after that old lady in the house, man. And she shot one of them.
Yeah, you know. Black Rock Federal Pen. Where they put the worst of the bad people.
Worst of the bad people, the bad people, bad people.
People too bad for the mainland. It's like an old penal colony or some damn thing. They know there's no easy way for us to get back.
Imagine how lucky you are. All those people in Milton, scared, dying, and you getting to live.
Hold up, man. He's getting to live. Hold up. Let me think about this for a while, bro. He burnt the people. Tried to kill grandma. Burn people alive. Try to kill grandma. Try to kill my girl. Nah, man. Fuck you, bro. I'm not saving you. Hold this knife in your
You
stomach.
hurt my friend. Maybe even killed her for all I know. You scared an old lady half to death. You let all those people die.
You're gonna die too, bro. Take this knife up in your gut.
A knife in the gut is the best it's ever gonna get for you.
Fucker. Yeah. Take that in your ribs. Yeah, lay there. Go ahead, die, man. Taking you so long. The wicked is always hard to kill, yo. Don't feel bad, bro. We're killers, bro. I can't get that knife. That's a nice knife. Here's a piece of cloth right here. Let's take that. Yeah, bro, that's what you get. Oh, there go a key right here. I don't want all that money. That shit don't mean nothing now. This don't mean nothing. I was not gonna leave you alive. Take some toilet water.
I think I can use this.
Yep. Bandages. Yeah, man, look at you. Oh, here you go a pry bar right here. Good. What's this? I'm gonna search out everything in this place, man. Everything I'm searching. Canada. It's a Canadian flag right here. Canada, oh Canada. Alright, let me see. I wonder what the Canadian national anthem sounds like. Alright. Got that. That's all that's in here, man. Damn. Ain't shit in this place. Look around here, man. You know what? Let me light this up because I don't want to miss nothing up in here. There we go. Now I could see shit. What's in here? What's there? Search this trash can. What's that? I found some food there. Oh, there's a lot of food in here. There we go. Jackpot.
Take this food.
Biscuit, crackers. Oh shit. I'm rich, bitch. Oh, soda right there too. Oh, 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 oh. What's this over here? Broom. Matches. I think I got too much damn matches, yo. Ski jacket.
Could end up being useful.
Yep, I'm gonna need that ski jacket. What's in there? What? I don't want that shit. What's that? What's that, man? That ain't nothing. Boots. There we go. Got some boots. I needed some boots. Alright. We have the boots. What the fuck is this? Oh, what's in there?
What I do here?
Yeah, I want a gun, man. What the fuck? Searching. Where the gun at? Need a gun. Ain't no gun in here. Hey, so with this searching thing, man, you gotta look real good. A lot of times I've been missing stuff. Oh, here you go. Gotta be looking real good. Sure you don't miss nothing. Oh, here goes some cloth right here. So now I could patch my clothes up. Just making sure I ain't missing anything. That's making sure. Alright, there ain't nothing in here. I look everywhere. Oh, I didn't check these kitchen cupboards. Nope. There's a can of sardines right here. Man, there's things everywhere in here. And I see some tea bags over there.
I can always use more food.
Soup. Herbal tea. Nothing in there. What's up here? Peanut butter. Gotta have the peanut butter. Okay, so that's everything in here. Oh, hold up. What's this? And here's a note right here. Water. Okay. I guess that's everything. Yo, man, there should be a gun right here, bro. Like, how come you got a gun rack and no gun, man? Where is it, man? Where is the gun, man? I wish I had a gun. Alright, ain't no gun in here. We out of here. We got the key though, so that's good. Maybe we should take a couple pieces of boards, yo. We should chop this up. Just in case we're gonna need some fire when we go out here. Oh shit, look at the snow, man. What's in here? What's in here? Oh, okay. Got some stuff. Oh, what's over here? Oh, the fuck. I hear that wolf, man. Where is he?
Holy shit.
You know what I should do? I should go back inside, man. It's too cold out here. What's this? Take that. Take that. Take that. I'm gonna go back in the Hey Sheba, where you at? Gotta go back in here, man. It's too cold out here. Yeah, so you know what I should do? I should fix my clothes, man. Cause I did get a jacket. Oh, you put it on already? Okay. Let's repair that jacket. Make sure it's right. Warm me up 79%. I want it to be 100%. Okay, so that's good. Didn't I find some boots? Yep, I sure did. Yeah, bro, there we go. We could break these down. Nope. Break these down. Oh, we got some new shoes now, so we could break the old ones down. All right, man. We're looking a little better. So I need water and I need sleep. Water and sleep. Water. What time is it? Yeah, we could sleep right here. Sleep for 5 hours. That should do it, I think. 5 hours, yeah. I don't know what I gotta do to get a gun in this damn game. Maybe I'm gonna have to.
I need to find food.
Man, we got a lot of food here. We got crackers. They eat that crackers and some sardines, you know what I'm saying? Sardine and crackers. Yep, sardine and crackers and a soda. Grape soda. Welch is great, baby. Welch is great. Hold up. Time to go back to sleep. Okay. Okay, I did find a book. Where's the book that I found, man? I think you could research the book. Hold up. Where's the book? Didn't I find a book? Where's the book I just took up in the I know I just took up a book. Anyway. What time it is? It's almost morning. Need water again. Damn, I'm dehydrating a lot in this game. Let me go sleep again till it's morning. Because still ain't morning yet. Maybe in 3 hours. Should be good. Okay, there we go. Oh, I didn't search these drawers, yo. Search. Is that my stomach? What's a dress shirt? I want no damn dress shirt. I'll take the socks all day. Because I could break them down. Alright, man. Rest well. That's what you get for fucking with people. Alright, we gotta get out of here.
Lamp fuel. I could use this.
Hell yeah. We could use that. What's this? Cured gut. Alright, I'll take it, man. I don't even know what it's for. Oh, look at that wolf right there. He didn't even see me. Oh, shit, he ain't see me. Oh. Look at him right there.
Looks like a new day is dawning.
Yo, man, shut the fuck. Yo, man, get out of here with that shit, bro. Oh, alright, let's go, bro. He's turned his back. Let's go. Let's go, Sheba. Where's Sheba? Oh, you better come on, girl. Where is that coming from? Sheba, where is that coming from, yo? Where's this fucking wolf, man? I hear him. We out of here, man. Oh, here he come. Bring your dumb ass up here. Get out of here. Get your ugly ass out of here. Don't try to fuck with me. Come on, come again. I know you're coming for our next round. Come on. Come on. Fuck out of here, boy. Fuck out of here. Get your ugly ass out of here. Come on, Sheba. I'm out of here. It's too much wolves. I'm out of breath. Come on, Sheba. What's this note say? Take it, man. I don't know what it say, but I'm taking it. Okay, we gotta go up in here.
Now,
Plus, we got the key
they
now.
hide the combination for this vault.
Combination for this vault. Oh, I don't know the combination for this vault, bro. But But I tell you what.
I could use this.
These are some ugly ass food. Alright. Put that gun up.
Locked. Can't get in here yet.
Okay. Let me see what my mission is, man. Retrieve the contents of the safety. Oh, so I gotta go to the bank. This is not the bank, man. Is it? Yeah, it is the bank.
Locked. Can't get in here yet.
So how the hell? Okay, let me go to Grey Mama. Maybe she know what to do. Maybe she knows how to get up in that. Hey, Grey Mama, man, I can't get up in the. She ain't saying shit. I'll eat that soup. Yo, did I miss something, man? I don't know if I missed something. Trying to figure this shit out right now. Because I can't get in that vault. I got a key. But what is a key good for, though? If I can't get in the vault. I'm trying to go. You know what? Let me go back to that bank manager's house, man. I can't get. What the fuck? Let me go. Like, goddamn, I can't walk over that little piece of wood. Let me go back to his house right here. Oh, see, maybe that's what the key unlocks. Okay, there we go. That's what the key unlocks. Okay. Search up this fridge, man. Find some food up in here.
I better take this food.
Hell yeah, you better take it. Come on, man. Oh, that shit. Oh, that shit. Antiseptic. We take antiseptic.
Excellent.
Snappy. Drink a snappy. No, I don't want nothing in there. Ain't nothing in that. Sardines, baby. Sardine and crackers. Searching everything up in here. Upside down, I'm turning this house. What's in here? What's in here?
This'll come in handy.
That's the next. I don't know if I want one more of that, man. I'll take it, Joe. What's this? Shoes? I could use it to repair my next shoes. Let me see what else in here.
Hope nobody needs this anymore.
I'm taking every clothes I find. I'm taking. Because those you could use the clothes to make bandages also. Oh, okay. Here go next pants. I needed a next pants.
I'll be hungry later.
Okay, what's this say? Let me read it. Oh, this is the bank vault code. This is what I need. Take that, baby. I've been looking for you, man.
I think I can use this.
All right, let's get out of here. I think we got everything. Now I could go to the bank. Look like nobody in this town carries a gun. As much wild animals they got roaming around here. And nobody don't have no gun. Fuck. Alright, Grey Mama, I'm gonna go check this thing out that you told me to go check out. I'm trying to get in that vault. I'm here to make a withdrawal, please. Okay, let's go. Hold up, what's the code? Okay, here we go. Examine. 1930-08. Okay, 1930-08. So 19 and 30. And 8. Here we go. Yeah, we in here, baby. Do I find a gun up in here? Nope. No fucking gun. Alright. Let's search. Cardboard box. Search this. Food! Nothing. All these fucking newspapers. Useless. Useless. Oh, useless, useless. Ah, man. Alright, let's go check. Yo, what was it? Number 20, right? Let's check number 20. Which number I have? Let me see which number I have, man. I know I got number 7, number 15. Number 7 and number 15. Okay, let's do number 7 first.
What have we here?
I'll take that. Let's do number 15. I found it, man. I found it. Grey Mama's safety box. What's in here? Might as well search all of them. Ain't nothing in there. Nothing.
I can always use more food.
I'm searching all of them. What I got to lose? Might as well. Alright, I'm out of here. Okay, we got what we came for. Okay, Grey Mama, I found it. Okay, Grey Mama. Here's what you asked for. Here's the box.
I managed to get into the bank, and
Did you find it?
here's the safety deposit box you asked for. I still don't...
Shh. Please.
Shh.
Give me the box.
Give her the box before she box you. What is that?
Jewelry? I don't understand. You said this would help me find her.
It will. Outsider, it will.
I need to find my friend. Do you think you'll be okay here by yourself?
You've done more for me than you can know, Mackenzie. These pearls were my lilies.
Ah, poor
I didn't
Lily.
cross anyone in the farmhouse or bank that seemed like a lily.
Lily was... It doesn't matter.
Lily was my
Did you-
daughter.
Get confused? In your foggy gray memories? Maybe you thought Lily and my friend were the same?
Yeah, maybe that's what it is.
I'm sorry, Mackenzie. I thought I was helping you.
It's okay. I don't think you're in any danger anymore. You should have enough supplies to last a while now. I'm sure help is on the way.
Now that I have her pearls. Lily's things.
What? Sorry, I don't understand.
I needed the pearls to remember her, but now you can take her things. Upstairs, in her old room, her climbing gear, her maps. They can help you get out of Milton. The path through the mountains.
You mean there's another way out?
Yes. My Lily was a climber. That's what happened. Never mind that. Take the rope, the map, follow her path. It'll lead you out of Milton and deeper into the mountains, north, towards Perseverance.
Man, it's hard as hell finding my girl, boy. Wow.
Okay. If you're sure. Thank you.
Now lead me to my memories, outsider.
Thank
Go
you.
out there and find your friend. And don't stop to think about Milton or Grey Mother again. We're of the old world. This new world is for the strong to survive.
Damn.
Lily.
Who was she,
Who
man?
was she?
You want to understand Lily's story?
Mm-hmm.
Man who fell from the sky.
Mm-hmm.
I think I know enough about Lost to understand why you wanted her pearls.
Then take them to Lily.
Lily's still here? In Milton? Why didn't you say so?
Go find her. Take the pearls and give them to Lily. And then I can rest in peace.
Okay. So, yo, Sheba, what you doing over here? Sheba, get over here, girl. Get over here. Come this way, Sheba. Come this way. She's trying to walk through the wall. Look. This way, Sheba. This way. Come this way. There you go. Do a trick. Oh, okay, Sheba. Get that can right there for me, man. Get that can, Sheba. Get that can. Here, go get that over there. Bring it. Bring it. Bring it to Papa. Bring it to Papa, Sheba. Good girl, Sheba. You're a good girl. But I don't want it. You could keep it, though. I don't want no book. But you're a good girl. Yeah, man. So this is where we're going to leave the story. As you could see, we're going to be venturing. We're going to be getting out of this wretched town. Moving on to a different town, I think. Climbing out of... Got to find somewhere to climb. We got to get her stuff, her daughter's stuff, or whoever's stuff, and get out of here. So the next episode will be, we should be heading out of here looking for our girlfriend, heading to a different location. Yeah. And I think we got to give her Lily the chain. Lily. Yeah, but thanks for watching. Do remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for more content. 21 gun salute to all my subscribers and all my viewers. If you're a first time viewer, do remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. And if you're a subscriber, please remember to like and share the video. It is much appreciated. You know what I'm saying? Again, 21 gun salute to all my subscribers and all my viewers. And all my viewers. God bless. One.